everybody, I am Sassy, a baby wearing consultant here in the Philippines. It's been a while, but today, siguro i-share ko sa inyo what were the things that I needed to unlearn nung naging baby wearing consultant na ako. Ayun. Series of videos to. So, ngayon, isa lang muna. Okay? Before I became a baby wearing consultant, when I was just discovering baby wearing newbie pa lang, na-immerse ako sa madaming mga infographics na nakikita mo sa Google. Ayan, tsaka sa madaming mga Facebook groups, madaming Facebook posts and all that. And ano ba yung mga nakita ko doon? Bawal yung world-facing, hip seats are bad, hip seats are the worst, ano pa nga ba? Yung narrow-based carrier are the worst baby carrier. So, ganun yung mga things na tumatak sa mind ko. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng parang judge sa lahat ng mga nakikita ko ng mga parents na may mga ganun na baby carrier. Like, okay, nakita ko silang gumagamit ng carrier na forward-facing, yung wherein yung babies nakaharap doon, hindi parent-facing. Talagang napapaganon ka. Ganyan. Parang samay mo, mali yan, ganyan. Pag may makikita ako naka-hip seat, gagano. Parang ganun. Pag may nakikita din ako naka-narrow-based carrier, parang, ganyan, mali yan. Para ako naging baby-wearing police. Yun. And I hated that. Because, well, nung nag-start ako, parang there is a sense of self-entitlement, feeling ko alam ko lahat, na parang yung ginagawa mo mali, alam ko yung ano yung dapat, which is parang sa totoo lang ang pangit, no? And then after nun na nagkaroon ng training and all that, first day pa lang ng training, para akong malulunod sa upuan ko. Bakit? Parang dinikdik sa akin na you do not know everything. Ganon. And being a baby-wearing police is, do not empower parents at all. For what it's worth, parang nawawala mo pa yung supposed to be your audience. You're supposed to be your clients, supposed to be your friend, or supposed to be someone who you can help or share. Bakit? Kasi inunahan mo na sila na ginudge mo na agad sila sa kanilang mga choices. Ayun. So, after nun, there was a learning process, but right after nung time na yun, every time that I see someone who wears a narrow-based carrier, shinishift ko yung mind ko. Instead of thinking na, hala, mali yan, or there are better options. Yes, definitely, there are better options sa baby carrier choice na yan. But, yung pinaka-topmost, bakit ba siya nag-baby wear? Yun. Baby wear siya para makalabas siya. Nag-baby wear siya para feeling niya, mas makaya niya yung mga dinadala niya, may kasama siyang baby, a toddler or whatsoever. So, na-fulfill ba yun? If yes, then it's good. Kasi minsan, lumalabas yung mga parents na, alam mo yun, ganun yung choice of baby carrier nila, tapos pupunahin mo pa. Parang, if I were in that position, ngayon na nga lang ako nakalabas, tapos i-judge mo pa ako, na parang burong-buro na ako sa bahay, gusto ko lang sana naman na makalabas, makakita ng ibang tao and all that. Kaya parang dun, oops! Nag-shift yung gear ng utak ko na, ay, oo nga, no. Kung baliktad kami ng sitwasyon, I would feel bad for myself. I feel bad for the whole baby wearing thing. Kasi, sino ba siya? Parang ganon. It depends eh. Parang, ayaw ko sa'yo, or, i-absorb ko lahat na sinabi sa akin. Hala, ganyan. So, you feel guilty. No? You feel bad as a parent. Ganyan. And from that time on, whenever some friends would say to me, like, tingnan mo siya, ganito yung gamit na baby carrier, ganyan yung gamit niya na baby carrier. titingnan ko yung sitwasyon. Baby ba nakakahinga na maayos? Yes. Hindi naman siya mahuhulog. That's good. So, I'm happy for that parent. Bakit? Kasi nakahanap siya ng way to optimize her life. His or her life. Nakahanap siya ng way na kung paano niya ma-juggle yung kailangan niyang gawin sa isang araw. Ayun. Now, if there is a high chance or there is even a slightest chance siguro na yung baby pwedeng masuffocate or if yung baby pwedeng mahulog, then maybe I can approach the parent and appreciate first. Appreciate the parent na, uy, ang ganda naman kasi nag-baby wear ka. Alam mo ba, may mga ganitong mga groups na pwede mong salihan. Or you can check out my Facebook page. Ganyan. Kasi nag-share ako doon how to wear your baby carrier. May mga different na baby carrier options dito sa Philippines from different parts of the Philippines, different brands, different sellers, ganyan. Baka gusto mong i-try kasi parang mas okay to. Mas malambot siya dito, mas comfortable si baby, ganyan. Ganun yung approach. Hindi yung, ay alam mo ba na pag ginamit mo yan, ganyan. Then, definitely, you will lose your audience. You will retain your pride and your ego kasi you think you know everything, but you will lose your audience. Bakit? Isha-shutdown ka niya. You shutdown ka niya, the mom will also feel guilty, then, hindi siya win-win situation, kumbaga. So, yun. So, nung after nun, whenever other baby wearing advocates would tell me something like this, nakita ko sa ganito, nakita ko sa ganyan. Parang, it's okay. It's okay. Ayun. Yes, there are a lot of ergonomic baby carrier options here in the Philippines, no? Kung woven wraps, andyan si Arugahan Wovens, andyan si Shadrach Collections, Zima, nagbebenta din ng mga woven wraps, Shadrach Collections, and then Zima, nagbebenta ng mga buckled carriers, ano pa ba? Sorry, hindi ko na ma-enumerate yung mga may ibang brands, wait lang. May available din tayo dito na Lil Baby, Boba, Little Zen, Ergo Baby, ganyan, and so on. Sorry ha sa mga hindi ko na-mention. Meron din akong store, pero currently, super duper busy ako. Hindi ako nakakapag-reply sa everybody. Ayun. Pero yeah, madami tayong mga baby carrier options dito. You can go check them out. Okay? Okay. Balik tayo sa bottom line of this video. 8 minutes na pala. Okay. Ayun. Yeah, so, there were a lot of things to unlearn on my part na gusto ko din na i-share sa mas madaming baby wearing parents and baby wearing advocates na before tayo na maging technical sa mga bagay. Like, this baby carrier is ganyan. This baby carrier is that. Balik tayo sa pinaka-core why the parent baby wears. For pinaka-una is practicality. Ayun. Bakit ba siya nag-baby wear? Gusto niyang lumabas. Gusto niyang may magawa siya. Gusto niyang makasama yung anak niya. Or wala siyang choice. Kailangan niyang mag-baby wear. Kailangan niyang gumamit ng ganong baby carrier kasi kailangan niyang makasama yung anak niya, yung dalawang anak niya, 3, 4, ganyan. Wala siyang budget to buy a baby carrier and so on. The parent just want to be close to the smaller child. Yun yung pinaka-core. And we should be happy that that parent, whatever the baby carrier that they chose to be close to his or her child. Because that's our goal. Closeness. Ayun. And we can always advocate for safety, but we should always hold, quote unquote, hold the mother, not just the baby. So, isipin natin, baliktarin natin yung sitwasyon. Pa ikaw yung nasa posisyon ng mother, how do you want to be approached by someone na nagbi-baby wear? So, that's it. Whatever baby carrier you choose, baby wear smart, follow for more. Bye! Bye!